Do you want to learn how to download and install Marvel Rivals on PC and laptop? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. Most of you have recently came across this game called Marvel Rivals and you're not sure how to play it or download it to your computer. So in this video, I'm going to help solve it. Head over to your computer and open up Chrome, type in Steam, then click on the first link, which is going to take you over to this page. And over here, we're going to click on this Install Steam button, which is going to take you over to this page. Click on this blue button, which says Install Steam. It's also available on Mac and all these other platforms. This is for Windows because I'm currently on Windows. Now, when you click it, it's going to download this .exe file to your computer. Now you need to click it again, which is going to open up this pop-up, and then you need to press yes here. Now just do next, next, choose a destination folder and install. I already have it installed. Now before I show you the Steam on my computer, first make sure to go to login here and create a new account. Create an account by clicking on this button. Now here you need to type in the email address and also type in again over here to confirm your email address. Now under it we have country of residence. So you need to click on this and it's going to give you a drop down. Select your country and then click on this I am human button. Click on this age consent and continue. Now it's going to tell you this. Please tell us your age. Just say I'm 15 years of age or older. Now it's going to verify you, so you need to go to your Gmail account and click the link which they're going to send you. Once you've done it, it's going to verify your email and then you can continue. Now I have Steam installed already on my computer. It's going to, when you click on it, after a while, it's going to say downloading update. So it's going to update the Steam first. Now this is how it's going to look like when you install Steam to your computer. Now you need to log in. I already have logged in into my account. Now here in the search bar, type in Marvel Rivals and it's going to show up over here. Or you can click on this search button as well. Now when you click on it, it's going to take you over to this page. For me, I've already installed it to my computer. That's why it says that it's already in your Steam library. But if you have not yet installed, it's going to show up as download game. So you need to download it and save it. When it's downloading to your computer, you can check it, the progress of it, in the Manage Downloads folder over here. You can pause it and update, etc. Now once the game has been downloaded, you can click on this to play the game. This green button is going to show up this pop-up. Click on yes. It's going to show up this, and if there's any update, you can do an update over here. But for us, it's currently saying launch, so I'm going to launch it. Now it's going to start compiling the shaders. And this process takes approximately around 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm not sure why it takes that long. I thought that it would take this amount of time once, and then next time you load up the game, it shouldn't take that long, but it still does. Could be because I've installed this on a hard drive and not an SSD. Could be due to that, but I'm not sure. So it has been loaded, and once you start up the first time, it's going to ask you to choose a nickname for your player. Click on start, and there you go. We are on the homepage of this game, and now you can play it by clicking on this play button on the top and change mode. You can click on quick match or the other game modes over here, or you can also click on this practice on top to practice. I'm going to make more tutorials on Marvel Rivals. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'm going to try to solve it. And that's it. This is how to download and install Marvel Rivals on your PC or laptop. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.